Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a non-custodial parent CSS profile account. Now, here's why this is important. So some colleges may also require your other parent to complete the non-custodial parent CSS profile. This is in addition to the CSS profile you and your custodial parent have already filled out. So in this walkthrough, we'll go step by step as if we're talking directly to the parent who needs to complete it. So step 1, go to css.org and click sign in the upper right hand corner of the screen. Next is step 2. Click create account to go to the account creation page. And under general information, the information you provide should be yours, the non-custodial parent, not your students. So you must provide as well details such as your email address, mailing address, and date of birth. An asterisk marks that required information. And there are some questions you can skip, such as the parent section at the bottom of the page. So once you click next, you'll need to confirm a few pieces of information. And once you're done setting up in this step, the next thing you'll do is verify your email, and then you'll receive a 6-digit code sent to your inbox. And if you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. And after entering the code, you'll create a password and provide a security phrase. You can also add a mobile number for recovery, but this part is optional. And from there, your College Board account is ready, and you can start filling out the non-custodial parent CSS profile. And when you begin the form, make sure you enter your students' information in the Getting Started section, exactly the way they entered it on their own CSS profile, so the two profiles can be matched. And then after that, just follow the rest of the instruction. Just follow the rest of the instructions on the form. It's a good idea to have your tax returns, W-2s, and asset information on hand while you complete it. And remember, many colleges won't provide financial aid until this form is submitted. So make sure you complete and send it in before the deadline to give your child the best chance at receiving as much aid as possible. And that's it. That's how you create a non-custodial parent CSS profile account. Thank you so much for watching, and good luck with your application process.